Are you willing to switch your career to warehousing management? According to research, warehousing industry will reach a staggering $2,872+ billion market by 2027. We are offering certification course in automated warehouse operations. What you will learn: introduction and classification of automated warehouses, warehouse automation activities, greenfield warehouse automation, layouts, planning and material handling, automated inventory management, automation of packing and sorting, etc. What jobs you will get: warehouse supervisor, inventory executive, warehouse planning executive, warehouse operations, retail warehouse manager. Why Pertecnica? Real time to work on, case study to review, single and multi-product, all warehouse activities, industry-led faculty, warehouse detailing,